coming to you live from Alphabet City. Today's top story. Y steals the sounds of I and E. It seems as though Mr. Y steals the sounds of I in one-syllable words. For example, fly and cry. The Y is sounding like I. It seems as though in two-syllable words, the Y is sounding like E, as in happy and sorry. In these syllables, one syllable, fly, cry, as well as two syllables where it sounds like E, happy, sorry, the Y is seeming to be stealing the sounds of I and E. Let's have another look. Happy, crazy, silly, dizzy, icy, jelly, carry, worry, dolly, sorry, lucky. All of these words are two-syllable words. When you say them, you need to clap twice. Lucky, sorry, silly. Y is stealing the sound of E. We need some investigators and detectives to help us out. Let's have another look. We need some good detectives to color in and help us figure out what Y has stolen. Has the Y stolen the I sound or the E sound? You're going to need a red crayon and a yellow crayon. Detectives, you are going to need to color words that have Y with an E sound red. And you are going to need to color words that have Y with an I sound yellow. Happy, fancy, buy, cry, berry, fly, windy, copy, lucky, my, ivy, try, buy, key, jelly, shy, pretty, deny, sky, tiny, buy, dry, crazy, fry, and why. This is Mrs. Bigara coming to you live from Alphabet City.